Today, we work on getting the roll cage in. So tonight, Jeremy and I are going to work on trying to get some of this roll cage done. Now, he's done a lot of work already. Tony's been out here, Craig, David, everybody's been out here helping. Tonight's my turn to try to come over and get some of this done. Mainly we got to get the corners cleaned up so we can weld the plates down on the ground, get all this sound dampening stuff out. We're going to use air cans to freeze it, and then grinder and hammer and chisel to get it all up and out. And hopefully we'll get to weld some stuff today. Jeremy's already fitted the halo in here, and the bar's going down, and that's how he measured where to put his holes on the ground. So we're going to work on that tonight, and hopefully we'll see some sparks. Get that clean. We'll put
the main hoop in and we'll start fabricating the rest in place.
Okay, so the main is the one right there where you're at, right?
Yeah, this is your main hoop, and then your halo, and then your A-pillar bars or whatever you call them. So basically this thing's going to line back up where I had it tacked up before. Yep, push it all the way back.
Where did you have it tacked up?
Well, this was tacked right there.
Oh, I see where this one was.
Yep.
Right here?
Mm-hmm. It may be a little lower now, but that's okay.
Oh, I see the hole. Alright.
So that hoop's gonna go right there. So I gotta put another tag down here and hold this in. It won't take just a second. I'll be done. Alright, you good?
Go. Very nice. What about the little gap right there?
That's just a restart. So I started and welded here, and then I started on top of what I already welded. That's why it humped, and then I worked off of it.
Oh, okay. Here you go.
You can see where I tagged it.
Alright, So we've welded, Jeremy has welded this thing together up on top on the halo. And what we got going on here is I got it right here. We got the cage, the holes right there. So it's underneath the car like that. So now we're gonna pick this thing up. We did that so he could weld around the whole way around it. Now we're gonna pick this thing up, put these plates underneath right here, and then he's gonna weld those together, and we'll have the base of our cage. Right? Well, that's hot.
It's a little warm, be careful.
Yeah. All right, so we got this thing in. Jeremy tack welded the plates in each corner, and we're gonna wrap for the night. And he is going to work on it tomorrow.
Yep. I got a lot of just welding to do. It'd just be boring for somebody to sit around and watch.
Oh man, it's always fun.
Yeah.
Plus, keep you company.
I just turn the music up and let it keep me company.
Yeah.
I'm a music freak, so that's
Sweet.
why I want to keep the radio in the race car. Put it mounts 2 6x9s on the dash up there and just turn it up.
Turn it up.
Yeah, just turn it up. If we can find a good radio station.
Yeah, that's a different story.
Out there's about ain't no radio station.
Does this thing have like a auxiliary port?
No.
They don't even have a CD player. It's just a freaking radio.
Well, see, they came with EX cars. You could get the option to put a what do you call it? A CD changer in the back.
Oh yeah.
So if we had the CD changer, we'd be big pimping, but we don't have it.
No,
so
we don't.
We're a little pimping.
Turn my music, ha, 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 yeah.